बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लम. Assalamu alaikum, me is Khan Ghulam Mustafa Baloch and you are watching our YouTube channel Harf Harf Haqeeqat, which means each and every word on this channel is a reality. So a motivational talk and a moral story I am sharing with all of you. The topic of the story is man is never satisfied with the wealth. In Urdu we can say सोने चांदी से इंसान का पेट नहीं भरता. This video is only for those people who love to listen to English and who have native language English, and I hope that you will like it. So be connected with us to listen to the story. Man is never satisfied with the wealth. And one message I have for all of you, that if you are new on our channel and you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of our forthcoming videos. A passenger lost his way in the jungle. Unfortunately, his food finished and he had no stamina to bear the hunger. There was some money affixed with his waist. एक मुसाफिर किसी बड़े रेगिस्तान में रास्ता भूल गया. बदकिस्मती से उसके पास खाना भी ख़त्म हो चुका था और भूख बर्दाश्त करने की ताकत भी न रही थी. हाँ, उसकी कमर से कुछ रुपए बंधे हुए थे. He struggled for his life, but all in vain. At last he died in impatience. After some time a caravan arrived there. They saw a bundle of money in front of the dead body and some written words. जब इर्द गिर्द फिर कर गरीब ने कहीं राह ना पाई तो बेचैनी से उसने जान दे दी. कुछ अरसे बाद उस तरफ किसी काफले का गुजर हुआ तो देखा कि मरने वाले के सामने रुपयों की गठड़ी रखी है और ज़मीन पर ये लिखा हुआ है, Man is never satisfied with wealth. Turnips are better than gold and silver because they fill the belly. मालो दौलत से पेट नहीं भरता. सोने चांदी से अच्छे तो शलजम हैं जिससे पेट तो भर सकता है. Have in mind, gold and silver never fill the belly. With the help of gold and silver we can buy food, but only the food is a main source to fill the belly, and it is a main source to finish the hunger of the person. It's enough for today, so be connected with us, and if you like our video, please like, share and give your comments in the comments box. So stay with us and have us in your praise. Thanks for watching us and wait for the next videos. Allah Nigeban.